So hello and welcome to another Feature Friday. This is part 2, a continuation of a list of 20 questions about Application Suite mobile apps. So let's just jump right into question number 11, and that is, can you change the status of a work order using the mobile applications? And yes, you can. In the Technician application, if you have the list of work orders there, you can see the status icon. And it's a simple matter of clicking it, and you have a drop down of the possible statuses that you can choose. And that's it. Alrighty, so question 12, can you add work logs to the work orders? Absolutely. On that same list, there is a work log icon, and you click it, and it opens up the work log. You can see the ones that are there previously. You can also type a new log in, or on your mobile device using a microphone, you can speak your log if you'd like. Once you're done, you click the little send icon, and now the work log is on that work order, not only on the mobile device, but also back on the server. So, question number 13, can you attach documents to the work order by way of the mobile applications? Things like photos and other documents that you might have access to out in the field. And the answer is yes. Once the work order record is open, scroll way down to the bottom of it, and you can see there's an attachment section there. When you open up that section, you'll see a plus sign, and you can add the file, assuming that the file is either on the mobile device or available to the mobile device. Question 14, can you easily build inspection forms? Well, not in the mobile apps themselves necessarily, but there is a new inspection form application available within Manage that functions very much the same way as previous versions, but that's the application where you would build your templates that would then be used for inspections and audits and other things out in the field. So question number 15 is, how well integrated are the inspection forms with your typical work management process? And the answer is very much so. Inspection forms can be used in an ad hoc nature as you're out in the field. They can be associated with tasks on job plans. They can be associated with route stops, I should say. They can be associated directly on a work order. So there's a lot of different ways to relate an inspection form to an entity within Manage, such as mentioned. Of course, the real power of inspection forms is the ease of data collection. You can update meters, you can update other fields, capture further attachments, things like that. So I'm going to cheat again and answer 4 questions all at the same time. So the first one is, for inspection forms, is there a wide range of question types, including meter readings? The answer is yes. Can you ask conditional questions? So based upon a previous answer, there's further responses that the user needs to respond to. And the answer is yes. Can they upload photos and things like that? Yes, you can do that within an inspection form. Can you use inspection forms for other things beyond inspections? Yes, like audits, condition assessments. Okay, and the last question, question number 20. Focused on using inspection forms in the mobile application, can follow-up work orders or other records like service requests be created automatically based upon responses in the inspection form? And the answer is yes. When you build the form, you can point to automation scripts that can do practically anything that you have developed as a result of the responses that are in the form. So if the person has answered some of the questions, let's say negatively, then when they complete the form, it says, would you like to have work order or service requests created based upon these, quote, negative responses? So very simple thing to do. User just clicks yes or pushes yes, and the work order gets created in the system using the information from the inspection forms. All right, so there you go, 20 questions on the application suite, mobile applications. Hope that was helpful, and we'll hope to see you next week.